concept on pure substances. So when we talk about anything that is pure, basically we are referring to the subject chemistry. So in chemistry, something that is pure, which actually means it is made up of only one kind of constituents. That means it has the same constituent throughout. So for example, if I take the case of water, the water has a chemical formula of H2O. Now in the case of water, I have two types of water. One is pure water and the other is impure water. Basically when we talk about the pure water, so pure water generally is referred to as the distilled water. So pure water is actually distilled water which does not have any kinds of microorganisms, or it is basically pure. There is no impurities in the distilled water. But whereas in impure water, sometimes there is some dust particles or some sand particles, so that is actually an impure water. Now if we talk about the case of water, as I have said, distilled water contains pure water, there is no impurities. So we can say that this type of substance is made up of only one type of matter, that is water. Hence distilled water is a pure substance. Whereas in the case of impure water, because it has some dust particles, it has some other substances also, so it becomes an impure substance. So we cannot say that impure water is actually pure, but whereas distilled water is a pure substance. Also, if I talk about the various elements that are found in chemistry, suppose I take the example of gold. Now all these types of gold or silver or all these types of elements are made up of only one type of substance, and this substance is known as the atom. So elements are made up of atoms. So we can say that elements are also pure substance because one element will contain different types of different atoms, but all these atoms will be same. So in the case of gold element will contain only atoms which will have gold, or we can say gold element contains all the atoms which are of gold. Hence elements are also pure substances. But we have discussed the case of water. In this case, the distilled water is also a pure substance. So anything in chemistry which is made up of only one type or of only same types of same components, same atoms, we say that that substance is a pure substance. So distilled water, elements, all are samples of the pure substances. This was the concept on pure substances.